Unlocking the secret of the eagle eye. Master English idioms with ease. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Have an eagle eye. This idiom is not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English communication skills. So, let's embark on this journey together to uncover the secrets behind having an eagle eye. When someone says they have an eagle eye, they're not talking about possessing the physical eye of an eagle. Instead, this idiom uses the sharp vision of an eagle, a bird known for its incredibly keen eyesight, to metaphorically describe a person's ability to notice or observe things that are difficult to see or to pay attention to small details. It's often used to commend someone's exceptional attention to detail or their ability to spot errors, discrepancies, or important details that others might easily overlook. Whether it's in proofreading a document, noticing a subtle change in a design, or even spotting a rare bird in a vast landscape, having an eagle eye means you have a special talent for observation. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life conversations or writing, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a professional setting, we need someone with an eagle eye to review these contracts for any potential loopholes. 2. In everyday life, my mom has an eagle eye when it comes to finding deals at the supermarket. She spots discounts that I would never notice. 3. In academic contexts, the teacher praised her student's eagle eye for catching a mistake in the math problem that was missed by everyone else in the class. These examples show that having an eagle eye can be beneficial in various situations, highlighting the value of meticulous observation and attention to detail. Learning idioms such as have an eagle eye is crucial for English language learners because idioms add nuance and richness to your speech or writing. They can help you express ideas in a more colorful and engaging way, which is often appreciated in both formal and informal settings. Moreover, understanding these expressions can improve your comprehension when reading or listening to English, as idioms are frequently used by native speakers in all kinds of communication. We hope this exploration of the idiom, have an eagle eye, has been enlightening and enjoyable for you. Remember, the beauty of learning English, or any language, lies in discovering the unique ways it allows us to express our thoughts and observations. So, keep an eagle eye out for new idioms and expressions as you continue to refine your English skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!